Hello dear children, this is Himanshi from Gurukulam Gyanodaya Vidyapeeth. Welcome once again. How are you kids? I hope you all are doing well at your home. So kids, we were learning small alphabet, okay? And we have learned so many letters. Today, first we will revise all the letters, जैसा कि हम हमेशा करते हैं, and then move to the next letter. Okay? So let's start. Kids, tell me which letter is this? Yes, small c. जैसा कैपिटल C बनता है वैसे ही small c, but ये grass letter है. We write this letter in the grass line. Sky line, grass line, root line. Top, middle, bottom. Okay, this is grass letter. This is also grass letter. Which letter is this? Yes. A. A says F. First we make C, then a standing line and a little turn. This is A. And this one is E. E says F. E says F. First we make C, then a little slipping line. Okay, and next letter is O. O says O. O says O. And this one is D. D says da 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 da. First we make C, then a standing line from top line to the third line. 1, 2, 3. This is small d. And this one is small b. Small letter B. Standing line from top to the third line and a left curve. In the capital B, we make two curves. One is small b, we make only one curve, down curve. Okay? And this one is L. L says la. L says la. Only one standing line from first line to the third line. This is L. And this one is H. H says H says. First we make a standing line and a downward curve. First we make a standing line and a downward curve. This is letter H. This is letter H. And this one is I. I says A. I says A. Small standing line and a dot on the top of the line. And this one is J. J says jelly. J says J. J jelly. From second line to the third line, that is root line, standing line and a little turn, dot on the top. This is small j. And this one is small letter G. G says G. 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 First we make C, then a standing line and a turn like J. Okay, this is G. And this one is, yes, this is letter Q. Q says quack, 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 quack. First we make C, then a standing line to the root line and a little slanting line. First we make C, small c, and a standing line, slanting line. This is letter Q. This one is P. P says P. P says P. Standing line from second line to third line and a left curve. P. And this one is F. F says F. Standing line and a turn, little slipping line. This is F. F says F. And this one is, yes, this is T. T says T, 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 T. And we make standing line and a turn to the right hand side and a small slipping line, middle of the standing line. Okay. And this one is K, small k. K says kicking ka. K says kicking ka. Okay, and this one is R. R says rrr. Small standing line in the grass line and a little slanting line. स्टैंडिंग लाइन के थोड़ा सा नीचे से हम स्लैंटिंग लाइन बनाएंगे जो कि सेकेंड ब्लू लाइन को टच करेगी. ओके, एंड दिस वन इज एन. एन सेज ओके. फर्स्ट वी मेक स्टैंडिंग लाइन और उसी स्टैंडिंग लाइन पे ऊपर आते हुए हमें डाउनवर्ड कर्व बना देंगे. एन. एन सेज एंड दिस वन इज एम. First we make a standing line, small standing line in the grass line and 2 loops. 1, 2. This is M. M says and this one is U. First we make upside curve and come with a little standing line. Okay. U. And this one is V. V says V. V says V. जैसे आप कैपिटल V बनाते हैं वैसे ही स्मॉल V भी बनता है, ठीक है ना. बट दिस इज अ ग्रास लेटर. वी मेक दिस लेटर इन द मिडिल लाइन्स. ओके, एंड दिस इज W. W. 2 times V बनाते हैं. स्लैंटिंग अप, स्लैंटिंग डाउन, स्लैंटिंग अप. दिस इज W. एंड दिस इज S. S says S. This is also a grass letter. So these were the letters that you have learned till now. And today we will learn a new letter. Which letter is this? Yes, this is Y. This is Y. Y yo-yo. Y yellow. Which shape is this? This is circle shape. But the color of this circle? Yellow. Y says yellow. Yacht. Yo-yo. Yellow. Okay. So let's see how to make small y. This is capital Y and this one is small y. Capital Y. Small y. Both are looking same? Yes, but the difference is capital Y starts from the first line to the third line and small y start from the second line and touch the bottom line. So let's see how to write Y. From second line to the third line we will make a slanting line. लेफ्ट स्लैंटिंग लाइन. देन लाइक V, जैसे हम V बनाते हैं इसको ज्वाइन किया. बट दिस स्लैंटिंग लाइन गोज टू द बॉटम, टच द रूट लाइन. ओके, वंस अगेन स्लैंटिंग लाइन इन द ग्रास लाइन एंड देन लाइक V join the slanting line but come to the root line. Okay, this is small y. Small letter Y. This is a root letter. It touches root line. Okay. Left slanting line, small left slanting line and a big right slanting line. Okay. Once again, small left slanting and a big right slanting. Touch the root line. Okay. Once again. Slanting line, big slanting line. This is small y. Y says yo. Y here yacht. Y here yo. Y here yellow. Once again. Very easy. Yes. I hope you can write this letter also. So kids, do practice this new letter and all these letters that we have learned before. We will come back with a new letter in our next video. Till then, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Bye. Have a good day. Thank you.